Hi, today is Architectural View. Maybe I'm Solicitor, maybe I'm not, but you can call me Rice because that's my nickname. And I'm talking about Nicholas Fairford house tour today. I'm watching the first time, same time as you, so hopefully I don't miss anything, but let's just go in it and hope you enjoy. Let's see what we can learn or I can explain today.
Yes, welcome to my new house. It's still in Edinburgh. A lot of people have asked me where I was moving to. I think some people may have missed the video
This
where
is
I
in
explained that I was
UK,
moving house. So
I
yes, I
believe.
have moved. I'm still very close by in Edinburgh to my last place. This is a basement flat, and the beauty of these is that they're like little houses, like little cottages. I've always really admired these basement flats.
I
So
never heard of a basement flat. So I'm guessing it's just that there's the street level and it's below because we see the stairs behind the window. So I'm guessing that's what basement flat means. But again, we're gonna learn something new again today together. And just so you know, the video is down in the description if you want to see the whole video. I did skip ahead. I started to watch it just until the presentation a little bit stopped talking. You didn't miss anything in the house, but just the talking because I focus on the architectural aspect. I try and I just fast forwarded. So if you want to see the whole video, please find it down below in the description.
I'm super glad that I've got one, and yeah, I'm pleased with this one. So yes, this is quite a nice, large space to come into. It's very bright and light.
I got the shiver.
With some of the basement flats, they can be dark because obviously they're below. But with these ones on this particular street, they are the biggest in Edinburgh. Some of the biggest houses. So the basement flats are even still have high ceilings and bright windows.
So that's the apartment. So it's true bringing up a good subject that with the windows and being at a flat as in basement as in below normal level, the light will be more difficult. So hopefully there's enough space in front of the building to get enough light.
Well, so you get a lot of
because
light
I think you get a lot of shadow.
So still got a nice bright place to live, which is very useful and quite nice. So as you can see, I have started to arrange the furniture in this room. It took me a while. I was a bit confused.
Yeah.
It's one of the most challenging spaces I've had to do so far. That was part of the explanation. It's quite a big square, and usually I've only had one large living room and no dining room, so I can split the room into two by having a seating area and then a dining table. But actually I have got a separate dining room in this house, so this has had to work as just a living space. So I have managed to do that now, I think. I've just got a basic seating arrangement of the sofa and then two armchairs so that it's grouped for conversation, and again we've got these two French chairs so that you can just pull up a chair.
The dog is like a statue, not moving almost. Well. I forgot.
I still haven't unpacked a lot of the stuff, as you can see, and things are everywhere.
But the furniture wise, it's very, but it's matching. So it matches the floor. Whatever. It's not particularly my taste. And you have the heating radiator.
So I have decided that
I'm just skipping to the, and you have the fireplace and the mirrors. I'm just skipping to some of the explanation because like I don't know his her non-binary pronouns, but they did explain about how the homes are separate, so that's good because we need to hear that. So just skipping ahead.
Against the white, it makes it kind of look like, you know, when someone's been smoking.
I always explain to mirrors and homes, especially if it's all white, makes the home be bigger. Well, look bigger. It can't make the home be bigger. You know what I'm saying? It seems bigger than it actually is, so it's always a nice touch.
So I think I am going to be painting the walls. Okay, let's go through to the dining room.
Let's go through. Thank you.
So this is quite a nice space.
I wouldn't expect this as a dining table. It looks like
the dining room.
It looks like there's drawers, but it's not drawers. It's just a style. Okay, And a white dining table, okay. Because in my head,
this
white
is quite a
table
nice
stain.
space.
Unless it's plastic, you can wipe it, but I
Again,
don't look like a plastic
quite
table.
spacious. We've got a big sash
The
window
tea,
here,
again, this person just moved
and
in,
it just
Nicholas.
looks out onto the
So
courtyard
we
garden.
understand that
It's quite a dark
the
room
like
because
picture
it's
frames are
got
not
the
moved in,
bridge
this and this and
to the
that.
front door upstairs.
But it already feels like
actually,
it's
that's
lived
okay
in.
because as a dining room,
My only question
it's going
is,
to be more of a
don't you
room that we
miss
use in
like
the
there's no
evening
yard?
time.
I like to have
So,
yards and gardens and stuff,
having a
and
dark room
like,
is
don't you
fine
miss
for a
having an
dining room because you
outside
want the
view? Even if you
ambiance
don't have a
anyway,
yard
you're
or
going to be
garden,
using it
and
at
you have
night.
like no
But
nature view, no street view, you just see
it
the
does need to
wall.
be a bit of a
So it
functional
makes me
room because you have to
nervous
pass
a little
through here
bit
to get to the
that way that
kitchen.
you just see wall,
So it's
and
going
at
to be a room
night,
that you use a
like
lot.
no street
And
lights
I'm
or
glad about that.
nothing.
I hate it when
I
dining rooms
wondered.
are kind of shut off and you
I
don't really see
wonder.
them. They become a bit dead.
I don't know.
This
That's just
one,
an
because we
opinion.
have to walk through it to get to the kitchen, I'm going to see it every day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this
And
table
one of
filled
this
with
chair
books
is
and a beautiful vase of flowers.
okay.
I'm going to have my botanical prints on the wall here, so it should be a very beautiful, happy space.
If you have a vase with flowers,
Now,
how
as I
well?
said about
I guess it's a
painting in
small
that
place because it's like,
room,
how would
I
you
think
eat?
in this
Because the
room
table
I'm going to
seems
use a
small,
wallpaper
but maybe it's
because
bigger.
it's a smaller space, and I just think that we have the chance to
If it's only one side
go a bit
wallpaper,
special in
but
here.
everyone's style
So
is
I've
different.
got
But I
this
feel like a
wallpaper that I've had
whole
for
place
about 2
wallpaper
years
like
that I've
this
done
is
looking
strong.
at.
Maybe
And it's
one wall
called,
it could pass,
I think it's called Snow Tree by
but
Colfax
it
and
will
Fowler.
be a
And I
lot.
love this one because it looks like it's being hand painted. So I think I'm going to be papering the walls in that. But we'll see.
All of them. I would recommend just
yes,
one,
you
like
can
an
see in
accent
here,
wall, then all of them, because it'll be populated. Especially if you have vase with flowers, and your vases and your dining room has flowers. And your living room has flowers.
In the other flat, I had that beautiful china closet which stored.
Okay, china closet or
And this kitchen is again quite a nice size.
radiator
I think
again.
it's probably
UK
a little bit smaller than the last kitchen, but it's still bright and spacious.
It's bigger than
the
my
only thing I
kitchen,
don't
so
like
not gonna
about this
complain.
kitchen
But
are the red
I don't know.
tiles.
So if you
Not
like to
something that I
cook,
would
or even if you don't like to
choose.
cook, I find that's not
Maybe I'll
enough
find a way
space for me to
to
chop
fix
things
that.
on the
I think
side.
I can
Like
think
I
of a
only
way to
have this
fix
to
this, so I
chop
think we
and
both
this
should
to
do
do
that.
like my dough for my
But yeah,
quiche,
it's a
and this to do my
pretty
dough for my
functional
bread.
kitchen, everything that you need,
Or like to make a
pretty
cake,
spacious.
and this
I
I
like
need
the
more
fact that
space.
this time I've got a
But
built-in fridge. I remember last
most
time
space in
telling
my
you that I
apartment
hated to look at
can't
the
you
silver
technically
fridge.
is it? Yeah,
A
it feels
built-in
a little
fridge
bit
here, which
more
is pretty
spacious
nice.
than my kitchen, can't you? My
Speaking of the
apartment.
fridge, it's very bare.
Oh, I like
if you
fridges
used
that
to
look
crib
that
zone
blend
TV,
in
things to show inside
with
the
a thing.
fridge.
I kind of
I
forgot
haven't
I didn't
cooked
see a
all
fridge. I
week,
didn't
been
notice.
too busy unpacking.
Nicholas just moved, so
So
I'll
it's been a
forgive
lot
the
of
empty fridge. I won't
deliveries
judge your
and
fridge
healthy
yet, because
food
I
this
see
week,
some house tours they
which has
really
helped
lived
me
in and the
cover
fridge
for the
empty, and I'm
pudding, all
wondering
vegetables
how
and
it's so
stuff,
empty. But
that's what it is.
I like fridges that
So
look
from the kitchen
like
you can go through here
entertaining.
to the
I'm
hallway.
starting to. First, I
But
never
we'll go
really
back through
knew that I would
here
like it, but
through
now
to
I
the
like
dining
them
room, and
because
then
I
go
think
through
it
this
looks
way instead.
visually really pretty. So plus points for that.
So yeah, this goes through to the inner hallway to the bedrooms.
Oh, y'all know how I feel about hallways. If this is not useful, you know what I'm gonna say. Useful hallways,
So
corridors. If not, it's a with all this space. If it have no storage in between, what that's wasteful. That's wasteful. Even like in the defense where I'm at now, like my ad is that it's like a corner, but it's an office kind of space to plant whatever. And then there's a small, I repeat, small corridor, and some of it is storage. So hers is possible. You need to have some storage.
A lot of mess in here still, lots of boxes to sort out.
I don't know. That's me.
Through here,
The
we've
cover
got
doors.
another front door that goes out into the hallway of the main house, and then you go downstairs to the parking spaces and stuff.
Okay.
Probably won't use that entrance. And here we've got the bathroom. I'll show you the bathrooms another time. They need to be worked on.
Okay.
And
well,
then
another
through
time, but
here
we
we've
only got this
the
time.
main
Sorry,
bedroom.
everybody.
So this is a really...
Now he, she non-binary, has light. So that's better. Okay, I was worried, but when it was like basement flat, I was like, no light at all? Okay. And I love
nice
the
space.
lamp.
It's a lot
I think
bigger
it's a
than
lamp
my last
on the
bedroom.
bed. That's actually
It's
cute.
very bright. We've got a beautiful sash window again. so that it
All
lets
the
in lots of
windows in this
light,
place are
and
huge,
it's a
so
very
that's
elegant
nice.
feature of
Excuse
the
me,
room.
Crayon. I'm a tired
Again,
little girl
we
right
have
now.
just brightly painted walls. We've got grey carpets, not something that I would usually choose, but I think I'm going to have to just embrace
The thing is,
and decorate around
the
those.
home is very
So
like in
I
grays
haven't
and
really got
whites
many
and
plans
neutral
for
tones.
this
So
room
if
just
ever you're
yet. I
someone who like
think it'll
color,
probably be
it's
the
a
last
good
room
base
that
to
I
just put
get
anything
done
on.
if
I
I
rather
do
it's a
decide
house
to
that I
do
buy
anything
or
here.
whatever, or
But I
rent
think for
has
now
all
it
these
looks
colors. If
pretty
you want to
much
change, it's
okay. We've
easier
got
to
the bed
change it from a
and the
white to another
bedside
color
table
than
with the
to do the
lamps.
reverse.
It
But
looks
I
pretty neat
prefer
and
like
tidy. Not
whites and
really
beiges
much
and
to do
things
in here.
like
Probably
that
hang some
anyway,
pictures. I need to
and
get
just
another
have the pop-up
blind,
color with
and then maybe
like
once I've
like
done the
sheets,
rest of that, I'll
pillows,
start
things
to
like
think about
that,
how I
because
can
you
really
can always
make this
change it with the
more
seasons,
beautiful.
whereas
But through there we
painting
have a little
every season is
bathroom,
way more
and
difficult.
then through here we've got a little wardrobe for clothes. Not huge, but still a nice ideal space.
Yeah, it's a good space.
Which is quite cool. Okay, let's go through to the second bedroom. Not really a lot to see in here because it's just, for the moment, I've had to just dump all of my clothes in here.
Relatable.
You may remember in my last flat I
When you're
had those
moving, just
three
dumping.
large
Sometimes in places
wardrobes.
saying, I'm so
I
moving.
had to leave those behind because otherwise you would have had to take them down and it would have been a nightmare.
But
So
it's a good second
I've got
room.
all
I'm
of these
guessing a
clothes
guest
here that I
bedroom.
need to probably buy a rail or figure out how I'm going to store them. But this is a pretty nice second bedroom, very spacious, double bed, probably
His
a
voice is very
desk, dressing
calming while
table.
he talks. Sorry. I'm
And maybe
tired, plus
even a
his voice is
sofa or
calming
armchair,
style.
so that when
It's
guests
good.
come to
It's
stay,
a
they can
compliment,
really
Nicholas.
relax
But
and enjoy this
whew,
space. And again, it's very quiet.
it's good to have
at the back of this,
pleasing
back
voice.
of the house. This is a really quiet space. There's nothing
But
really
it's
out
good,
the
the
windows. Except
light.
for
I'm
more
happy.
houses
Because I
which are
was
quite far
worried when I
away.
was seeing
Usually with
downstairs with just
townhouses, you
the
get, when you
basically
look out
see
the window,
people
you get
pass.
the
But
houses right
now
in
I
front.
know
But
it's
this
best
has
because
got
at least
quite
there's
some distance
nobody who can
between
directly
us and the
see
next
what's happening
house,
in
which
your
is pretty
house,
cool.
like you have
So
a
yes, that is
basement
the inside.
floor.
It's a lot bigger than my last place. I think you will agree.
I'm skipping.
And then I will
to
just show
back.
you to have some outdoor space, a little garden.
Yes. Oh, so that is
And we do
again
have
perfect.
a
Let's
little
see it.
garden out here. It's just a courtyard, but it is quite spacious. We've got quite a lot of space to work with. My plan is probably to have lots of pots filled with evergreen plants, and then in the springtime I'll put some bulbs in and stuff so that we get a different variety.
Okay, that's not bad. But I was expecting grass. He said,
So
"Oh,
it
you're
should be a very
garden, or
nice,
yeah, I expecting grass."
elegant outdoor
I
space
like
for
grass.
entertaining,
I like
hopefully.
like
Shame that we didn't
nature.
during
But
the
if you live in
summertime.
a
Now that
city, I
autumn's coming,
understand.
not
But
really
what
going to be able
the
to use this so much, but at least we have it. I'm glad to have the
land,
space, and I think Sophie
a
is pretty
place for your
pleased
dog
too.
to run. That's all. But to each their own. Land.
So I hope that you've enjoyed this very quick
It
whistle-stop tour
it
of
was
my new
quick. It
home.
was cute.
I did
Thank you
want to
very
really
much.
share it
I
with
wish
you
I
this
knew
week as
your
I
dog's
moved
name
in,
too,
and I
but
promised that I would do that last week.
he's
So
adorable.
I thought that even though this is a short one, it would be nice for you to
Dog.
see
You're
this
so cute.
place. So there will be
Thank
lots
you,
of
thank you.
content coming up.
And with that, that's the end of the review. Conclusion, it's cool. Like, I never thought of like a basement flat. Like, that's what it's named. Like basement and top. But the top main is like ground floor, so first floor. So okay, why not? I wasn't expecting that, especially for dining room and living room, because those are rooms I would want light in. But we saw there was light ish, but it's good for privacy. And then upstairs we have the bedrooms, and you see the neighbors. The street didn't see you, so it's well how to say, well spaced out, well designed, and the house look already lived in for someone who just moved in. So props to doing all of that. And I don't know how much time they had, but it's success. So thanks again for watching till then. Watch any video that YouTube recommend if you like. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and tell me what you think. Until next time, bye.